Hello, in this video, we will learn how to change the password for a Snapchat account. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. First, open the Snapchat application. Then, click on this face icon. Press the settings icon. Go to the password option. Here, you will be asked to enter your password to confirm that you are the account owner. Then, click on Continue. Now, we have two options. Enter the new password in the first option, and retype it in the second option. Your password should include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Then, click on Save. As you can see, the password has been successfully changed. I hope you liked the video. See you later!